Hello children, let's meet some chirpy birds. This is hummingbird. This is the only bird which can fly backward. This is ostrich. This is the heaviest and largest bird in the world. This is dove. It is the symbol of love and peace. Next is woodpecker. It makes a unique sound while pecking on the trees. Next is, guess who? Yes, this is owl. It is the symbol of intelligence and wisdom. This is cuckoo. It is very clever. It never makes its own nest and keep its egg in the nest of the crow. This is falcon. This is the fastest bird in the world. Next is, this is tailor bird. It sews the leaves of the birds to keep its nestlings. Thank you. Bye.